some preventative maintenance calls for today.
Anyways. I installed the indoor coil last year. It was based on the manufacturer warranty. The company that installed it like 4 years ago didn't want to do it. When it was under warranty. So she didn't pay for the coil, but I told her she had to pay for the refrigerant and the labor. She agreed. Nice and cold in that house too. I'm gonna put my heights on this as a cold. It's like 74 inside that house. Let's go. Preventative maintenance number 2 at your Uncle Coachella. Off 52 if you want to be nosy. Let's get it. That's because I see it's wet still. Just wash it. Need me, bro. There in the hood too. I'm gonna get robbed for my tools. Yeah, that's great. Look at that. That's right. Let's get it. Preventative maintenance number 3. And it's got one more to. Yeah, I ain't supposed to do it. I don't care. So hang on. Cream, we have put it, check the refrigerant level, check the capacitor, check the amp draws, it's 35 years old, check the amp draws of the motor, it's good, check the clean already, pause automatic is dead, and film because over there watching. Let's get it. What up? On number 3. Preventative maintenance. It's all good to go. Just gotta wash it. This call be done. I'm on to my 4th. Let's get it. What up, people? Call number 4. Preventative maintenance. Number 4. Easy one. It's a new unit. One thing's gonna probably be bad. This is capacitor if anything is bad. Good men are known for that. Good units, but known for blowing these capacitors 2-3 years old. Let's get it. It is a little dusty and crusty. Guys, preventative maintenance is not just about checking capacitors and putting your gauges. It's about a little bit of maintenance, a little clean, you know what I mean? That's why you charge for it. We're not housekeepers, but you do a little bit of preventative maintenance. And dirt gets in those contactors or any electrical. It's not good. Damn. Talk about dusty. But anyways, make sure you turn off the power. Don't kill yourself. Or whatever you charge for your preventative maintenance. Don't be in a hurry. Time is money. Customers love seeing stuff like this. They think, man, it's worth paying him what he does because he's going the little extra mile. It's not just fucking charging me, raping me just to put his gauges on. Especially on the E unit. They know there's not that much work to it. It's like taking a new car to the dealer to get an oil change. What do you think they're gonna find? Fucking bad shit on new shit. Charlotte. Unless it's a Ford, maybe, but other than that. That's why they wash your cars for you at the dealers, bro. Give it back to your kids. They go, oh man, they care about me. They wash my car. It was all fucking dirty. Now I got it back clean. And I'm too lazy to wash it or pay to wash it, so I'll just take it to get serviced and they'll wash it for me. Even though it costs them more than a car wash, but whatever. Anyways, people, hope you enjoy my videos. I like to talk shit. Bullshit. Alright, it's cleaning off. I discharged the capacitor. So let's check it. too lazy to get the little clamps. Anyways, I believe it's supposed to be a 5. I think it's 70 over 5. That's 4 point something. So that might be at his limit. Ooh, man. That's at its limit. Because it's 10%. 10% of 70 is 7. 62.9. Oh, there it is. 63. Still makes it 70, so that's right at its peak. And this is at its peak. 5 capacitor, which at 10% is 0.5. So this is should be replaced, but it's not up to me. It's up to the homeowner. I don't sound like a sales guy, but I will show him this video, so you don't have to be on the roof trying to fucking see what I'm doing. Multimeter don't lie, bro. Especially this brand. So yeah, it's at its peak. It should be replaced, but they'll probably leave it. Who knows? We'll see.